In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your open form with ease, whether you're sending it to a colleague for feedback, sharing it on social media to gather responses, or embedding it on your website. I've got you covered. Let's dive in and take this step by step. First things first, let's talk about opening the form. You'll want to ensure that any last-minute tweaks or changes have been made before you proceed. This is important because once you share the form, you want it to be in its final version to avoid confusion or the need for follow-up instructions. So, take a moment to preview your form, checking to see that all the questions are correctly phrased and that everything looks just as you imagined. Once you're confident everything is perfect, you're ready to publish your form. This is a crucial step as publishing moves your form from just being a draft to being accessible by others. Look for the Publish button, which might be located in your toolbar or navigation menu depending on the platform you're using. Once you click it, the system will perform a quick check and then confirm that your form is published. It's an exhilarating point in the process as it's the moment when your creation is ready to meet the world. Now that your form is officially published, you'll need to copy its direct URL. This URL is crucial because it acts as the immediate link for anyone wanting to access the form. Simply look for the URL provided on the Publish confirmation page or in your form dashboard. Click on the link to ensure it opens correctly, then right-click to copy the URL. Having this URL handy ensures that sharing your form becomes a seamless process. With the URL copied to your clipboard, you're almost there. Sharing this URL is the final step. You have a variety of methods for sharing your form depending on your audience. If you're reaching out to specific individuals or groups, pasting this URL into an email is probably your go-to method. It's straightforward and direct. Don't forget to include a brief message explaining the purpose of the form or what responses you're looking for. Alternatively, if you're looking to reach a broader audience, consider sharing the URL on your social media accounts or within relevant community groups. You can incorporate a short invitation or question to increase engagement and encourage people to click through. Lastly, if you have a website, embedding the link or even the form itself can be a powerful way to gather responses without requiring extra clicks from your visitors. There you have it. By following these steps, you can easily and effectively share your form with anyone you choose. Just remember to check the final form to ensure it saves correctly. Utilize the direct URL for easy access and share whichever way suits your needs best. Thanks for joining me today and happy sharing.